what's up? It's Jason. I was just sitting down here to eat my lunch and thought I'd shoot a quick video. I am in this guy's, the back of his field at his place. We've had a couple bad storms blow through this area in Middle Tennessee where I'm at in the past couple weeks. We had a tornado that came through here as well. So I've got quite a bit of work down in this area of Middle Tennessee, and but today there was a big cherry tree that went down this guy's backyard, and he just kind of drug it out to the back of his field. And what we're doing is we're just slabbing it out, 2-inch thick slabs, and it's actually a friend of his that's wanting this lumber, and he's a woodworker, and we're just cutting 2-inch thick slabs. You probably saw in the video I'm cutting some big stuff, and I don't typically like to do it without another piece of equipment here, but being it was only a couple of logs, I figured I would just kind of manhandle it and do it here, and not worry about bringing another piece of equipment, because it's usually 2 trips here, 2 trips back. So and it was just a couple logs, so and I also knew I wasn't gonna have to walk very far. I could just kind of pull it off the mill, and they're gonna restack it anyway, so I'm just kind of pulling it off the mill and dragging it out of the way. But anyway, yes, getting some good stuff out of this. One of the logs that had the Y in it, it had water in that pocket where it rained, I guess, and got down in there. And so what happened with that is when I set it on the mill, man, water just poured out of the crotch of that tree. And so there's quite a bit of rot in it, but still got a couple of good slabs out of it. And then the other logs that are on here, they're, as you can probably tell, they're looking pretty good. So but anyhow, yeah, just some storm damage cherry that we're cutting up for this guy, and 2-inch thick slabs, some pretty big stuff, and hopefully give him some good material to work with. And yeah, hang out with us and watch us finish sawing these logs up.
It's a fresh dream.